Today, inshallah, we will start to study the lateral and total area of cuboid. Total and lateral and total area of cuboid. As we know that cuboid has 6 faces. All of them are rectangles. يعني ممكن كلهم يبقوا rectangles. All of them are rectangles. 6 faces are rectangles. Or 4 sides, 4 lateral sides and 2 square faces. ممكن يبقى 4 side faces اللي هم lateral faces.
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام.
Lateral faces.
وعليكم السلام.
4 lateral faces and 2 square faces. So this is the cuboid. The cuboid without a lid has 5 sides. Without a lid means بدون غطاء, without a cover. يعني هيبقى الفيسز ناقصه واحد يعني 6 هيبقى without a lid يعني 6 faces minus 1. 6 faces minus 1. Okay.
مستر مش انت قلت هتعمل
So each two opposite sides are equal in area. Two opposite faces. Each two opposite are equal in area. Okay. So and 8 vertices. The sides are edges, and these are called vertices. So this is vertex. Now, in order to find the lateral and total area, first you have to know the area, the perimeter of rectangle. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width times 2. This is the perimeter of rectangle. We can write it in simpler form, length plus width times 2. Also, we will use the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle equals length times width. Okay, the lateral and total area of cuboid. First, the rule of the lateral area of cuboid equals the perimeter of the base times height. The perimeter of the base times height. Okay? The perimeter of the base here means that the base may be rectangle or square. In all times, you have to find the perimeter of the base, or either it is a rectangle or a square. Now we can write it in the simpler form that lateral area equals perimeter of base times the height. Remember, you have to follow the rule of total area of cuboid equals the lateral area, which is the area of 4 faces, the lateral area, plus the area of 2 bases, the area of 2 bases, 2 times area of bases. Okay, so we can summarize this, that the total area equals lateral area plus 2 areas of the 2 bases, 2 times area of the 2 bases. Okay, so now we have 4 steps. We have 4 steps to find the area of the lateral and total area of cuboid. Okay, 4 steps to find the lateral and total area of cuboid. Step 1, you have to find the perimeter. You have to find the perimeter of the base. Perimeter of base. Number 2, you have to find the area of the base. Okay, the area of the base. So you have to find each perimeter and the area of the base. Number 3, you have to find the lateral area of the cuboid. Number 4, you have to find the total area. The lateral area, as we have said, perimeter times the height. Also, you have to find the total area of the cube, which is the cuboid, which is lateral area plus 2 r length and the width and the height. Okay, length and width and the height. Now, example, page 82, number 2C. Okay. So I give you the length, width, height, which are the dimensions. First, as we said, we have to find the perimeter and the area of the base. The perimeter of and the area of the base. So the perimeter equals length plus width times 2, length times length plus width times 2 of the base. So the bases are length and width of the base is 20 plus 12. So 20 plus 12 times 2 equals 20 plus 12 is 32. 32 times 2 is 64 centimeters as it is a perimeter. So 20 plus 12 is 32. 32 times 2 is 64 centimeters. This is the first step. Second step is the first step. Second step, you have to find the area of the base. The area equals, also you have to use the length and width of the base, the chosen one. So length times width equals 20 times 12 equals 0. 2 times 12 is 24 centimeters squared. Now we can find the area, lateral area easily. Now we will use number 3. This is number 2. Number 3, we have to find the lateral area equals perimeter times height. So the perimeter we have found, the perimeter is 64 times the height is the height, so 17 centimeters. 17 equals, so 64 times 17, 64 times 17 equals 1088 centimeters squared, because this is area, this is area. Okay, now the fourth step, we have to find the total area equals lateral area plus 2a, the area of the area of the base. Okay, lateral area, we have found the area of the base, which is lateral area, we have found lateral area, which is 1088 plus 2 times area of the base is 240 equals 240. Now we can find the total area. Okay, plus 2 times 240 equals 1,568 centimeters squared. Yes, okay. So now a cuboid, its length is 6. A cuboid, its length is 6, its width is 4, and its height is 8. Find its lateral and total area. If you follow step, you will reach the answer. If you don't, there will be a problem for you. A cuboid, its length is 6, width, so the length equals 6 centimeters, width equals 4 centimeters, and height is 8 centimeters. Okay, So the first you have the perimeter. To find the perimeter of the base, the area of the base, the lateral area, then the total area. If you follow these steps, you will find the answer correctly. This is very easy problem. So length, perimeter equals length plus width times height, so times 2, sorry, times 2. Okay, times 2. Okay, times 2. Times 2 equals length, take it in order, length 6 and 4, 6 plus 4 times 2 equals 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20 centimeters. Okay, so and also take the same length and width, take the same number to find the area. So to find the area, length times width equals 6 times 4. 6 times 4 equals 24 centimeters squared. This is area. Now, it's very easy to find the lateral area. If you understand and memorize the rule, it's no problem. So the perimeter times height equals perimeter. We have found the perimeter is 20 times height equals 8. So 20 times 8 is 160 centimeters squared. So to find the total area, the same, okay, no problem. As we mentioned before, lateral area plus 2 areas equals lateral is 160, lateral is 160 plus 2 times 24, 24 equals 160 plus 2 times 4. Remember, this is plus, not multiply. This plus and this is multiplied. Don't switch. This is plus. This is plus. Don't switch. So you have to find 2 times 24 is 48, and then add 0 plus 8 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. So and 2 centimeter squared. Right. Booklet page 20. Booklet page 20. A rule in the form of cuboid. In the form of cuboid. So if cuboid, you have to find the rules. Perimeter, then area, then lateral area, then total area. Okay? So it's inner dimensions. Inner dimensions means length, width, height. So dimension here means length, width, height. Okay? The dimensions are 5 meters, 3.5 meters, and 3 meters height. It is wanted to paint the lateral wall. Lateral wall. This is very important. This word is very important. Lateral walls. The cost of the square of 1 square is 9 pounds per meter. Calculate the required cost. Lateral wall. So you have to find only the length, width. Perimeter. Okay, perimeter area and lateral area only. Here we don't need to find the total area. Here we are talking about 4 sides, 4 lateral sides, the walls only, 4 sides. Okay, so it's okay to find the lateral. Now it's better to find the perimeter, length plus width of the base times 2 equals length is 5 plus width 3.5 meters. Okay, equals times 2 equals 8.5 times 2 is 70 meters squared. Is 70 meters. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, no problem. Yes, 17.5 times 2. 8.5 times 2 equals 17 meters. Okay, now you have to find the area, or the area of the base. So the area equals length times width equals length is 5 times width 3.5 equals 5 times 3.5 equals 17. 5 times 3.5 equals 17.5 meter squared. Okay, Now you can find the lateral area. So the lateral area equals, the rule is perimeter times height. Equal perimeter is 17 times height is, what's the height? Is 3 meters. 3 meters. So 17 times 3. 17 times 3 equals 51 meter squared. Okay, now he asked you to find the lateral walls only. The lateral walls. So you don't need to find the total area. Okay, now the price of 1 meter is £9. The price of painting 1 square meter is £9. So you have to find the price. The price equals 51, the total area, or the required area, times the price of 1 meter times 9 equals 945 pounds. اوكي، هنا بيقول، هنا السؤال بقى اللي احنا بنتكلم عليه يا شباب، بيقول a box without a lid. قلنا القاعده بتاعت without a lid دي مهمه، معنى كده انك عندك كام فيس؟ 5 faces. ولو without a lid يبقى انت عندك هنا 5 faces. This is very important. هو بيقول لك كده في الامتحان او في السؤال a box without a lid its length is 16 cm. يبقى اللينث موجود equals 16 cm width is 7 and height is 19. Calculate its area. لا calculate its lateral area and total area. هتمشي بالستبس اللي احنا متعودين عليها، اللي هي اول حاجه تجيب البريمتر equals length plus width times 2 equals length is 16 plus 7 times 2 equals 23 times 2 equals 46 centimeters. Also, you find the area equals length times width equals 16 times 7. 16 times 7, 112 centimeters squared. Also, to find the lateral area equals perimeter times height. Perimeter times height equals 46 times 90 equals 46 times 90. Okay, 46 times 19 equals 874. 874 centimeter squared. Now, to find the total area, let's write it here. Total area equals lateral area plus المفروض في هنا 2 areas. بس خلي بالك واحنا اتفقنا ان اللاترال areas دول 4 sides on. 2 areas means the 2 bases, but he say without a lid, so this we will not include this. We will take only one area. Okay, and we'll write it again. So plus area, leave plus area, 1 area, because it is without a lid. So we have only 5 faces, 4 lateral and 1 base only. 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 4 faces and 1 base. So this 5 faces equals, we have found lateral is 174 plus area of 1 base is 112. Now you can find the total area equals 689 centimeters squared. A box truck in the form of cuboid. A box truck in the form of a cuboid. Its inner dimensions are 5, 2.5, 1.6 meters. It is wanted to point the inner box without paint, with paint. Sorry. The cost price of 1 square meter is 12. Calculate the cost price. So the inner here, he said that it's a box truck. Okay, we can consider, because he didn't say, we can consider it without a lid. يعني السقف بتاعها ده مش موجود اصلا، فتعتبر cuboid without a lid. And also the dimensions here means length and width and height. Okay, so you can take it by order. If we don't say length and width and height, so consider the first is length, the second is width, and the third is height. Okay, and the same steps as we know, perimeter equals length plus width times height times 2, sorry. Okay, times 2 equals length is 5 plus width 2.5 times 2 equals to 7. 7.5 is 15 meters. And also to find the area equals length times width equals 5 times 2.5 equals 25, 12 meter squared. Also to find the lateral area. The lateral area equals perimeter times height. The perimeter is 15 times height is 1.6. 15 times 1.6. 15 times 1.6 equals 24 equals 24 meter squared. Okay, now we find the total area. The total area equals lateral area plus. Okay, we will consider that this without a lid, this box without lid. Okay, so you have 5 faces only, so plus area of 1 face equals, we have found the lateral area is 24 plus the area of 1 face is, or 1 base, 12.5 equals 24 plus 12, 24 plus 12.5 equals 36.5 meter squared. Now to find the price, the cost price of 1 meter is 12, so the price we will multiply equal 36.5 times 12 equals 36.5 times 12 equals 438 pounds. Okay.